Hey guys, welcome to Home Decor. Today I am gonna take you on a journey back in time as we explore some incredible cottage style home decorating ideas. Let's start. Decorating a cottage style home often involves embracing a cozy, relaxed vibe with a touch of vintage charm. Here are some key elements to consider. Natural materials. Use wood, stone, and other natural materials for furniture, flooring, and accents to create a rustic feel. Soft textures. Incorporate soft, comfortable fabrics like cotton, linen, and wool for upholstery, curtains, and throw pillows to add warmth and coziness. Vintage finds. Hunt for antique or vintage furniture and decor pieces to give your space character and charm. Soft colors. Choose soft muted colors inspired by nature, such as pastel blues, greens, yellows, and creams, to create a serene atmosphere. Floral patterns. Integrate floral patterns in textiles, wallpaper, and upholstery to add a touch of whimsy and romance. Mixed matched furniture. Mix and match furniture pieces in different styles and finishes to achieve an eclectic lived-in look. Cozy accents. Add cozy accents like quilts, knit blankets, and plush rugs to enhance comfort and warmth. Vintage accessories. Display vintage accessories such as old books, glassware, and pottery to infuse your space with nostalgia and personality. Natural light. Maximize natural light by keeping window treatments minimal or opting for shade curtains to let sunlight flood in. Personal touches. Incorporate personal touches like family photos, heirlooms, and handmade items to make the space feel truly yours. Vintage lighting. Install antique-inspired light fixtures such as candelabras, sconces, or lanterns to add character and charm to your space. Open shelving. Incorporate open shelving in the kitchen or living area to display vintage dishes, glassware, and collectibles for a cozy and inviting feel. Whitewashed or distressed finishes. Choose furniture and accents with whitewashed or distressed finishes to achieve a weathered, well-loved look. Slip-covered furniture. Opt for slip-covered sofas and armchairs in natural fabrics like cotton or linen for a casual and relaxed vibe that's also easy to clean. Fresh flowers and greenery. Bring the outdoors in by displaying fresh flowers and greenery in vases, pitchers, or baskets to add color and life to your space. Country kitchen charm. Create a country kitchen atmosphere with vintage inspired appliances, farmhouse sinks, a butker block countertops. Cozy fireplace. If you have a fireplace, enhance its cozy charm with a rustic mantle, a stuffed firewood, and a cozy sitting area for relaxing evenings. Handmade crafts. Incorporate handmade crafts such as knitted throws, embroidered pillows, or tile wall art to add a personal touch and showcase your creativity. Wicker and rattan accents. Integrate wicker or rattan furniture pieces, baskets, and accessories to add texture and a relaxed coastal vibe to your space. Outdoor living spaces. Extend the cottage style to your outdoor living spaces with cozy sitting areas, potted plants, and vintage inspired garden decor for a timeless transition between indoors and outdoors. Mix old and new. Combine vintage finds with newer pieces to create a balanced and eclectic look that feels collected over time. Layered rugs add visual interest and warmth to your floors by layering area rugs in different textures, patterns, and size. Remember, the key to cottage style is creating a welcoming and relaxed atmosphere where you feel comfortable and at ease. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel.